Hey everybody, welcome to Landscape Rescue. My name's Stuart Moore, and today we're at Lowe's, and it's a beautiful day, and we're gonna do a shopping video.
Oh, thank you, Arthur, but I don't think many will give credence to such nonsense.
Get the F off my yard!
So I'm over here in the war zone, which is typically Lowe's displays. Look like they got hit by artillery. Take a look. Hard displays are kind of a pain in the butt, but it's almost a necessity to bring in retail traffic when you have that retail audience. Wrap a rope around this stuff, guys. Jeez Louise. So anyway, I stood about 3 of them up and then I just gave up.
Yeah, well, that's the trouble with this generation.